What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to Insanity Raceway in Boonton, New Jersey for a truck only event. Pretty cool. It's stadium truck, two-wheel drive short course, four-wheel drive short course, and mini chuggy. So yeah, we are actually testing out some loaner vehicles from Brent. He has the first batch of little prototype top 3 RC conversion cars. As you guys know, if you're not new to the channel, we are running team associated stuff, and the cars they don't make, top3rc.com has a solution for us. So we're still working it out. I'm actually waiting on mine. They're just about done. Brent chose to actually announce most of the day here at the track. So shout out to you, Brent, my teammate, for lending me some cars to run. So we will be running four-wheel drive short course and mini chuggy, associated conversion cars through top3rc. So pretty excited to see how everything pans out. I'm going to kind of give him a shakedown for him, some of which he hasn't even run yet. So Brent, again, man, I appreciate it. And yeah, looking forward to a pretty fun event, to something different. So enjoy the video, guys. I'm going to gather all the footage that I can. We've been racing this year more than we ever have. And like I said, I'm only trying to film the bigger races, trying to focus a lot on my racing itself, hopefully to minimize some of the gremlins I've been dealing with issues car-related wise and all that. And it's obviously a lot of work to produce these videos in the meantime. So without further ado, I have my buddy. If he's not in the same races as me, he's going to be filming. So as always, everybody who helps film, I do greatly appreciate it. And yeah, without them, I couldn't make these videos. So without further ado, guys, sit back, relax, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here with the trailer. We got it all set up. We are here at Insanity Raceway, little barn here over in Boonton. And yeah, we're gearing up for the truck only event. So short course and mini chuggy only truck racing, stadium truck, stuff of that nature. So should be fun. I'm going to gather all the footage I can. I'm trying to film like the bigger events for you guys. And we've been racing like crazy every weekend. So hopefully I can get some footage here for you today. And yeah, like, subscribe, enjoy the video.
All right. Let's go. Get the minute ready. One and two on the way. And Brian. Your leader is going to be black, blue, and red. Black wheel. Second place, Keeler. White, blue, and red. And third place is orange and yellow. And they raise the position. You got the leaders behind you. White, blue, and red is your leader. Black, blue, and red is your second right behind. The Brave is your number 3 driver. That's 2 minutes to go. Jack needs 12 to get Brave. 10 minutes to tie against Jack. Aaron needs to lose 10 minutes. Got a minute to go, guys. A little over a minute to go.
And just like that, guys, sorry for the lack of footage, but yeah, long story short, we did run into a little bit of an issues electronically throughout the day, and then on Mini Truggy, we broke a little AE carbon piece for the steering. We actually put it into the other hole, which kind of threw off the alignment. I kind of tried to trim it out a little bit. We salvaged it, but that carbon piece was getting really, really thin. Yeah, unfortunately, with electronic issues in the 4-wheel and that issue in the Truggy, we started B mains for both. We won into the A main for 4-wheel drive short course, but unfortunately with Truggy, on our way to do another bump as well, potentially get the win. We were battling there for the A spot, which only one driver transferred, and that piece actually gave out in Mini Truggy. So DNF on the B main, unfortunately. With the Mini Truggy, I figured we could finally get everything sorted out, get some A bumps, and then hopefully put on a show. But no, unfortunately, we did get the short course figured out. Near the end, just made too many mistakes and little errors on my part, and we were only able to climb back up from last place to 4th. So tight track, a lot of competition, a lot of even a lot of the fast, well-known 8th scale guys were even here to run some 10th scale as well. So really cool. Brian, as always, you do an excellent job with that track. I'm loving the new layout. We didn't practice on it or anything. We just kind of put it on track and sent it. Yeah, so it was fun. All in all, I would say step in the right direction. And yeah, it's looking like our next big race should be, I want to say, Trains and Lanes Nitro Challenge. I believe that's going to be our next big race that we'll have footage for you guys for. So stay tuned for that. If not, we may have some Barnstormers content as well coming your guys' way. So if you did enjoy the video, please throw a like button on there. Leave me a comment what you thought. If you were in the race, let me know what you think about Brian's track. How do you guys like the layout? And any of you guys interested in running here, it is Insanity Raceway or Racetrack, Boonton, New Jersey. They have a Facebook page, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for all their events. It's going to be awesome. So a lot of big stuff coming. I know there's an event, I believe, in July coming up, which is basically open platform 10 scale, all classes. So that should be really fun. So stay tuned for that as well if you like the Insanity videos. And without further ado, guys, appreciate you all for sticking around, watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.